Hello, this is DJ Daisy Single Xeon 4-core E3-1270V5 for Xeon Streams. Obtaining a hosting account. Internet radio stations perform a substantial amount of data transfer and require a dedicated, always-on internet connection, so it is typically not practical to host a station from a home computer on a broadband or dial-up internet connection. Accordingly, the first step in setting up an internet radio station is obtaining a hosting account from a stream hosting provider like Xeon Streams LLC. Your stream hosting account will typically include everything you need to begin broadcasting: internet connectivity, disk space to store your broadcast media, and web-based access to the Centova Cast Stream Hosting Control Panel. The rest of the steps in this guide assume you have already purchased a stream hosting account and have received your login information for Centova Cast. So order your hosting account today at https://www.z-on-streams.com.